ultimate superpower is the ability to imagine anything I desire. Desire to see as the decider. I've decided my name is Imagination Man. I have since learned that for every superhero, there is a supervillain, right? Batman has the Joker, Superman versus Lex Luthor, and the arch nemesis to Imagination Man is the one whom you might know as reality. As I grew older, reality started attacking me with blasts of reality checks, showing me that some of our dreams of becoming something from a kasi are crazy. Dreams of becoming anything from a kasi are crazy. Dreams such as being an astronaut from a kasi, that is nonsensical. Even the simple dream of simply growing up and getting old in a kasi, that is unachievable for some of us kasi. Can't nobody tell me why the youth keep dying young? Nah, Likazi. Another one that looks like me was buried last week, Ekasi. Reality has shown me that it does not matter how fast I can run. I can never outrun or dodge a bullet like the Flash. Lesson learned when the boy next door was gunned down and taken out of the equation. Listen, 3 bullets were added to his brain, dividing his head into 2, subtracting 1 soul from his lifeless body, multiplying the statistics of gun violence in my community. This lighty was never good in mathematics, but he knew everything about the numbers 26, 27, and 28. Wash! Reality has shown me that it does not matter how high I can jump. I can never leap and fly like Superman. Fly high above the clouds out of a car with my peers. We wanted to be pilots back in high school. Sadly, the wings of our dreams were clipped short due to academic exclusion in our schools. In the hood, we now sit on street corners puffing on weed smoke, and that's not good, because one way or the other, we are going to get in the mood to get high. We are going to touch cloud 9. Ghetto kids will always make a plan. I wish to live in a society where it is not a need to make a plan, where we can raise kids to live out their dreams. I think the hood needs a hero. I think the kids need you, a hero. You don't need to have superpowers. Just don't be a coward to live out your dreams. I think that is how we save the kids. Raise kings, raise queens. Peace.